I'm going to show you how to insert images in Excel cell. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, first of all you will need to come into Excel. As you can see here, these are the images that I want to insert in this Excel file. So first of all I will enlarge these cells for them to be enough to insert images. So I will enlarge this one, then I will also enlarge this one. Then for the flower I will also enlarge. Then I will also enlarge the column. Now once you've done that, your cells will be fit for the insert of the images. Now you will need to go to insert, then under illustration you will come to shapes, just click on that, then you will choose rectangle, then you will come to the cell where you want to add the image, then press and hold Alt while you will be drawing the rectangle. So you will press and hold on Alt key as you will be drawing the rectangle. So you will press on Alt and hold on Alt, then draw the rectangle. Now once you've done that, you will come under shape styles, you will go to shape fill, then come to picture, then from a file click on browse, then you will go to the location where image is. So I'll go to downloads, then I will select the image. So as you can see, the image has been inserted. So in order to have a clear view, you will enlarge this, then you can also enlarge and extend this one. So the same way we have added this image of lion, we are going to add the image of bird. So you are going to click in the cell, then insert, then go to shape, then go to rectangle, then press and hold on Alt, then draw the rectangle there, then go to shape fields, then come to picture, then go to browse, then select the image that you want to insert. Then as you can see, the image has been inserted. Now we'll insert for flower. We'll go to insert, then shapes, then rectangle, then press and hold on Alt key, then draw the rectangle, then go to shape fill, then picture, then browse, then select the image, then it will be uploaded. And that's it guys, that's how you can insert image in Excel cell. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.